Okay, so what I have with me here today is by Home Best, and it is their antibacterial disinfectant spray. It is for use in homes. It is the county scent, or country scent, I'm sorry. And it says it eliminates odors, kills many household germs, kills many germs, and prevents mold and mildew growth. And this is just the 12-ounce can. Okay, so what I want to start off with this product is by saying I've had this for a very long time. I keep it in my basement for when I come to clean and disinfect things that are down here. I do a lot of cleaning in my basement from time to time, and when I do, this is really one of my more go-to products. I think it does a pretty good job at disinfecting things. From what I can tell you is that I have never experienced any like getting sick or any family members getting sick from coming down here. So when I clean with this, I think it does pretty well. It keeps everything pretty disinfected, and it smells really good. Again, like I said, I've had this for a long time. That's all you can see. Kind of there's like the rest there on the can, but I've had this for a very long time, and I just like the product because it does its job and it does very well. I believe it does disinfect everything that it is put on, and so I just like it for that. I like the color of it. It's a cute little green. I don't know, green just kind of reminds me of like cleanliness. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that probably, but it just reminds me of like being clean and like oh yeah, this is good, this is going, like, go get this. I was actually told about this by my great aunt. She uses this product all the time to clean around her house, and so I was just like, oh wow, that seems pretty good, like a pretty good product. Like, it smells good, it smells nice in here all the time when we come and visit. And I was like, so what do you use? And she told me this, and I was like, that's weird. I feel like that's not a normal like disinfectant spray. Usually there's like the Lysol or like, I don't know, some other like brands that have disinfectant spray and stuff like that, but she uses this and I believe it works just as well. And I don't understand why it works just as well, but hey, it does the job. But I do like this because it is very affordable. I went to go buy this for probably 3/4 of the price that you would buy like Lysol or any of those other more name brand disinfectant sprays, and it does the job just as well. So I would just buy this, honestly, because if it does the same thing and it works just as well, why not just get this? You know what I mean? Like, it smells great. Like, it says it's like a country smell, but it's not like outdoorsy or anything. It just, that's just what they named the scent. It's more of just like a cleanliness type, floral type. I don't really know how to explain it, but it smells really nice. Like, it smells good, it smells clean, it smells like it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I like it for that aspect. I would not recommend, traveling with this, just because, nobody really travels with cleaning supplies and things like that. So I wouldn't, say go ahead and travel with this, but if you do, then I don't know, like, put it in a cup holder or something, or just put it with the rest of some cleaning supplies if you were to go and travel with this. I don't know, but I just wouldn't travel with it because you can just pick up like a little 10-cent bottle of spray if you want to like disinfect something at like a hotel you're staying at or something. I don't know, but this isn't something that like is like a necessary like traveling thing that everybody should go travel with, like that. But if you do, yeah, just honestly, you could just put this in, like, spray some in like a bottle, I don't know, and use it to clean like a surface or something like that. But it's not really something that most people would travel with, so I wouldn't use it, and I wouldn't recommend traveling with it. I've dropped this a lot. like a lot of times. And what I like about this is it's more of an old school like disinfectant spray, and I think those cans and things are made a lot better than the newer ones because I've dropped this so many times while cleaning and it's still perfectly intact. Like the nozzle has not coming off, the top of it has not chipped or anything like that. It's perfectly fine, and it hasn't dented, like, and I've dropped this so many times because you know when you're cleaning, sometimes you have things in your the product in your hand and it's just in your hand and your hand is like maybe a little slippery or something from getting some product on it and you drop it, and a lot of times it can break or something like that and it can spill everywhere or just get all over the place, or like the nozzle will come off and then you're like, wow, I can't use this anymore because it's all gone, or the nozzle doesn't fit on there anymore so I can't use it, so that's a waste of a product. And that's why I like this, because the nozzle is still on there even though I've dropped it multiple times, and I cannot explain how much that makes me happy because I hate when the nozzle breaks off of, you know, like sprays and stuff like that, and then you're like, well, now I have to go buy a new one. Yeah, it was just very inexpensive. I like the smell of it. I haven't heard any like bad things about it affecting anybody's like skin when I use it to clean like anything around the house. So I just think it's overall good product. But again, this is just the disinfectant spray by Home Best, and it is antibacterial.